a few boxes today. Let's see what's inside. This one comes from Upper Sandusky, Ohio. Come on. Okay. Giggling troublesome truck. I think that's they call it giggling. But anyways, nice troublesome truck. And then we have, oh, look at that. This is one of the rarest NES. I mean, there are just a few around, but I don't know why people don't appreciate this. Can you hear that noise that it makes? Yes, any. And then we have Apple Car. Let me see. We have Plarail. Good. And then we have Solar Dairy Car, McCall's Farm Car. Good, good, good. And then we have, I think this one belongs to Arthur. Yes, Arthur used to come with this flipping. This one is Ore. I thought it was a coal car, but it's not coal. Copper. Yes, copper car. Nice. Arthur. This one actually looks good. And then it comes Freddy. We have Rosie. We'll check in a minute if they work. Diesel 10. This one, is it Mattel? Yes, it's Mattel. And a Tolkien Thomas. I don't know if they come with the batteries. Let's find out. That is a terrible condition. There is 3 batteries with they exploded. I am not fixing that for now. Now Rosie also comes with a battery. Obviously it's not working. I'm gonna keep 3 volts. Okay, now it works. Now let's try it with the battery. I think it works, but it does have some. I think this driving axle is broken, so we can fix that one later. But look, it works. Good. Now, Diesel 10. I don't know why Diesel 10. If this is Mattel, I think they swapped the top, because I remember seeing this. Is it work? No. Diesel 10 with smooth face, not like this creepy face. I think this one should be for a Hit Toy Company or Tomy. This is what happens when you left the battery on the models. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna make it run. I'm trying with the 3 volts, but it does not make any contact. I don't know. Yeah, this thing definitely it's corroded inside the battery terminal and the this little part that comes from there. So today is going to be just a mail time unboxing. Well, at least they look very decent condition on the outside. Comes with, oh, this one works. It is skipping a gear. The gear is broken, and driving axle needs to be replaced, but it works. And it's clean on the inside. That is good. Now Arthur looks good. It came with a rotten corroded battery. I don't think it works, but anyways, no, it's not gonna, it won't work. Definitely there is a lot of corrosion, but good that this is for parts and repair. That's awesome. Now let's continue. This one comes from Wisconsin, and it is, what it is, I don't even know. Okay, this one is James. Yellow face, broken wires. Good thing comes with battery cover, and the battery terminals are good. That will be a good fix and repair. This one is from Georgia. Oh, okay, nice. I see what comes in here. So all these engines that I got in the mail, they were for parts or fix and repair. So we got another Bussy SB James, broken snapped wires, no big deal, easy fix. Battery contacts, battery terminals are clean. It comes with the battery cover, that's a plus. excellent. I will say it's great. That's going to be another fix and repair. It comes with the complete Busiest B James set. Let me tell you, these boxes have been sitting on my garage for a couple months. I hadn't had the time to open and until today. Let's say 2 months ago they were delivered. And it is this is a Henry with battery terminals. Comes with another thing that I like to get is when they come with the coupling. The wire size is not a problem. Looks like someone tried to fix it. I can see it's open here. Yeah, someone tried to fix it. Anyways, another fix and repair. This one comes from Missouri. I think it's Missouri, and is okay. You guys can see right there. It's Proteus. I can tell you, someone tried to fix it before, but it didn't succeed. So they sold it for parts, fix or repair. Also, obviously, there is a little battery corrosion that can be easy fixed. Let me see if I can make it run. I don't know if this one works. Oh, it works. And I'm using 3 volts right now. As you can see, it's a little bit slow. That means there is something. Yeah, there is a lot of hair buildup here. That will be easy fix. Yeah, good. That will be an easy fix. Definitely Proteus. A little bit of touch up needed. Lining, red lining. The decals are good. Excellent. And here is the last one. I think, I don't know if I have another box, but one moment. This one comes from West Virginia. It's Ned for parts, fix and repair. Yeah, let's see what's going on. And I'm gonna tell you, definitely there is corrosion. Yes, I'm going to do this is gonna be a perfect fix and repair restoration for Ned. Maybe we can paint the bucket, this shovel. I think we can do that. I don't think it's let me try some. Yeah, I'm using 3 volts, but this thing is completely dead. See, there is some corrosion, I guess, in the motor, but other than that, it can be fixed. Yeah, definitely I could replace this battery terminal or try to restore it, but I don't think if it's strong enough, maybe we can nickel plate. Yeah, we're gonna try that in the next videos coming soon. So this was all for today. Mail time. There's a lot of fix and repairs coming soon, so stay tuned.